Hello everyone, and welcome to Women's Wellness Guide. Today, we're going to share some in-depth tips on how you can improve the taste and quality of your breast milk for your little one. Eat a balanced, nutrient-rich diet. One of the most important factors in breast milk taste and nutrition is the mother's diet. Eating a well-balanced, nutrient-dense diet can have a very positive impact on the flavor and composition of your breast milk. Focus on incorporating a wide variety of fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals and snacks. Fruits and vegetables are packed with natural sweetness, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can lend a pleasant, mild flavor to your milk. Try to eat the rainbow by choosing produce in a range of colors, berries, citrus, leafy greens, carrots, peppers, etc. The more variety you can get, the better. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, and quinoa provide complex carbohydrates, fiber, and B vitamins. Lean proteins from sources like chicken, fish, eggs, and legumes deliver high-quality amino acids that are essential for your baby's growth and development. Healthy fats from avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish add creaminess and richness to your breast milk. These omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids are crucial for your infant's brain and eye health as well. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is absolutely crucial for maintaining a good milk supply and keeping your breast milk tasting fresh and flavorful. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Aim for at least 13 cups, 104 ounces, if you're exclusively breastfeeding. Dehydration can cause your milk to become thicker, less sweet, and more concentrated in flavor, which some babies may find unpalatable. In addition to water, you can also stay hydrated by sipping herbal teas, diluted fruit juices, and broths. Avoid sugary sodas, energy drinks, and excessive caffeine, as these can interfere with your milk production and supply. Moderate consumption of strong flavors. While it's great to enjoy a varied diet, you'll want to be mindful of certain strong-tasting foods that can potentially alter the flavor of your breast milk. Things like garlic, onions, spicy dishes, and some herbs can come through quite strongly in your milk, which some babies may find unpleasant. The occasional indulgence in these types of foods is generally fine, but try to avoid regularly overconsumption if you notice your baby seems bothered by the flavors. You can experiment to see how your little one reacts to different foods in your diet. Incorporate fresh herbs. On the flip side, adding fresh herbs to your meals can be a wonderful way to gently enhance the taste of your breast milk. Herbs like basil, mint, dill, and parsley can impart lovely, subtle flavors that your baby may find soothing and enjoyable. Try mixing these into salads, soups, sauces, and other dishes. The natural compounds in herbs may also offer additional health benefits for both you and your baby. Just be mindful of any herbs that could potentially be problematic, such as sage or peppermint, which some sources advise limiting during breastfeeding. As you can see, making a few simple adjustments to your diet and daily habits can have a significant impact on the taste and quality of your breast milk. By focusing on nutrient density, hydration, and moderate flavors, you can provide your little one with a delicious, nourishing source of sustenance. Remember, every baby has unique preferences, so it may take a bit of experimentation to find the diet that works best for you and your child. With patience and an open mind, you'll be able to optimize the taste and nutritional value of your breast milk. Thanks for tuning in to Women's Wellness Guide. We hope these tips were helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more educative content as journey through motherhood. See you in my next video.